It's time to eat, baby. We're cooking with the NASCAR chef, John Dix.
Oh, so scrumptious recipe this week, my friend.
Yeah, I tell you, Wayne, like I promised with the 500 coming up and the Super Bowl coming up, we're going to do a few hors d'oeuvres or appetizers, whatever you want to call them. So this week, we're going to do a garlic bread pizza. Very simple, very easy, very tasty. Uh, not very waste friendly, but who cares? Anyways, we're going to start with 8 slices of Texas toast garlic bread,
Okay.
1 cup of pizza sauce, 1.5 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, and about 25 to 30 pepperoni slices, maybe about 35, because you're going to nibble on a couple of them as you're making this.
I'm already hungry before you're starting to cook this thing. So let's get to it.
Okay, gang, we're going to preheat the oven to 425. Place the garlic bread on a baking sheet. Spread equal amounts of sauce on the bread, and then top it with the cheese and the pepperoni. Now, guys, you're going to cook it in the oven for about 8 or 10 minutes until the cheese is melted, and enjoy it. And it's that simple. But, you can also, if you don't want to do pepperoni, you can add vegetables on it, anything you want. We can even go to JR Shrimp and get some shrimp and put it on there, and that'll be good.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know about shrimp pizza. That sounds like an idea like the possum pizza that Andy used to have back in the day.
Man, I heard there's some guy called the Shrimp Pimp. We need to talk to him. JR's the Shrimp Pimp. Man.
Yeah. We're working on getting JR on the show, but Andy, you totally missed the whole joke there again, bud.